Storm warning for Central Chambers County until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Wells to near Riverview, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Valley, Louisiana Net, Lafayette, Stroud, Lafayette, Lakeview, 5 Points, Cosetta, Post Oak Forks, Denson, Riverview, Amity Park, Standing Rock, Welch, Buffalo, Chambers County Lake, Fredonia, VZ Creek Park, Hubuli, and Fairfax. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Chambers, Alabama,